Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're diving headfirst into a world that goes way, way beyond your standard everyday pickup trucks. We are unpacking the jaw-dropping 2026 Shelby truck lineup. Now, if you thought the factory truck wars had already reached their absolute peak, well, just wait until you see the kind of numbers Shelby American is bringing out to play in the desert. Let's just kick things off with a number that completely shatters all expectations. 1,000. Yep, that is the exact amount of horsepower packed into Shelby's new street-legal dirt-shredding pickup. It's a figure that totally redefines what any of us thought a full-size, street-legal truck was actually capable of. So let's talk about this 1,000 horsepower monster, the incredible Shelby Baja Raptor R. To even wrap our heads around how they achieved this, we have to look at the sheer engineering madness happening under the hood. Shelby started with Ford's already insane 5.2-liter Carnivore V8, the same basic engine architecture that powers the GT500. But in classic Shelby fashion, leaving well enough alone just wasn't an option. They actually ripped off the factory supercharger and dropped in a frankly massive 3.8-liter Whipple supercharger. Essentially, they're forcing exponentially more air into this engine to create explosive, unyielding power. But here's the thing. To keep a 1,000 horsepower engine from literally melting down under extreme desert heat, you need some seriously heavy-duty support. That enormous Bengal red Whipple is paired with a high-flow air intake system and a billet aluminum throttle body. And maybe most importantly, Shelby throws in a dual-core, dual-pass intercooler to keep all that pressurized air ice-cold right before it hits the engine. Oh, and to make absolutely sure everyone within a 3-mile radius hears you coming, it all breathes out through a custom Shelby-tuned Borla exhaust. It gives this truck a deep, throaty growl that is just unmatched. Now, what if you want something just a tiny bit more accessible? Let's check out their 810 horsepower off-road alternative. For this one, Shelby actually transforms a standard luxury Ford F-150 Lariat into an absolute beast. They take Ford's legendary 5.0-liter Coyote V8, slap on a Stage 2 supercharger, and hook it up to a heavy-duty performance heat exchanger. That heat exchanger is crucial, by the way, because it prevents engine heat soak during those long, demanding, high-speed off-road runs. The result is staggering 810 peak horsepower. You're literally taking a very comfortable, luxury daily driver and completely mutating it into a hyper-capable off-road conqueror. Let's look a bit deeper under the hood and see how these numbers actually fit into the broader horsepower wars. We all know the factory Ford Raptor R is an absolute powerhouse, sitting at 720 horsepower. And we know the outgoing Ram TRX really pushed the envelope to 777. But Shelby's so-called lesser model, it effortlessly overtakes both of those factory titans with its 810 horsepower. It completely resets the benchmark for what a super truck is supposed to be in today's market. And to really put that flagship 1,000 horsepower number into perspective, you can't even compare it to other trucks anymore. The Baja Raptor R actually produces 13 more horsepower than the original multi-million-dollar Bugatti Veyron. I mean, let that sink in for a second. We're talking about hypercar-level power straight to the dirt in a full-size pickup truck. It's just wild. Of course, all that straight-line speed means nothing if you can't keep it planted. Let's talk about the desert-taming suspension hardware. Looking specifically at the Baja Raptor R, this thing is fitted with aggressive, race-ready armor right out of the gate. It rides on 18-inch off-road wheels wrapped in these massive 37-inch BF Goodrich mud terrain tires. The factory bumpers? Gone. Swapped out for Addictive Desert Design's high-clearance steel bumpers featuring a 30-inch light bar. And for true Baja practicality, you get dual full-size spare tires mounted right in the bed. Because let's be honest, blowing a tire deep in the desert without a backup is a complete disaster. Meanwhile, the 810 horsepower F-150 off-road takes a slightly different, maybe more stylized approach. It gets a proprietary full suspension lift paired with rear traction bars, and it rolls on massive 22-inch Shelby alloy wheels with 35-inch all-terrain tires. But critically, and this is super important because stopping an 810 horsepower heavy-duty truck is just as crucial as accelerating it, Shelby equips this model with massive bare drilled and slotted brake rotors to give you that necessary stopping power. Now this brings us to a really fascinating debate within the off-road community. The factory Ford Raptor R uses those seamlessly integrated adaptive FOX live valve shocks. They are basically magic. They adjust automatically to the terrain as you drive. The Shelby F150, on the other hand, swaps those out for race-grade, manual adjust king 2.5 coilovers. So you have a very clear trade-off here. The FOX shocks offer brilliant factory polish and ease of use, right? While the king setup offers pure tuner exclusivity and precise manual control for the hardcore enthusiast who wants to dial in their exact ride. Which leads perfectly into our final topic, Shelby exclusivity and price. It's time for a reality check, because there is a massive premium to pay for that Shelby badge and those crazy horsepower upgrades. A stock Ford Raptor R is already a very expensive vehicle, starting around $112,000. But stepping up to the Shelby F150 off-road jumps your starting price up to a cool $140,795. And if you want that 1,000 horsepower Baja Raptor R, you are looking at an eye-watering base price of $194,795. But that premium price tag buys you extreme rarity. Take the Shelby F150 off-road, for example. Production for the US market is strictly capped at just 600 units. Think about that. You are almost guaranteed to never pull up next to another one at a stoplight or run into one out on the trail. As one dealer beautifully put it when walking a client around this truck, "You are one of one. This is the epitome of Shelby." And that hits the nail right on the head. Buyers aren't just paying for parts bolted onto a chassis, they're paying for entrance into the highly exclusive Shelby registry. You get the serialized plaques on the dashboard and in the engine bay, you get those iconic Heritage Le Mans styling stripes, and you get the sheer prestige of owning a fully documented piece of American performance history. Which brings us to the ultimate question for you guys today. Do you choose the incredibly capable, seamlessly integrated factory polish of the standard Raptor R, or do you gladly pay that massive premium to tame the visceral 1,000 horsepower chaos of a purebred Shelby? Honestly, when pickup trucks are hitting hypercar power levels, where does the industry possibly go next? Really appreciate you joining me for this explainer. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll catch you on the next one.